Hi, I'm Ann Mooney. I'm a personal chef here in Orlando and Winter Park, Florida. I'm here today on behalf of Expert Village to talk about risotto. It's a classic Italian rice main dish. It's so yummy and filling. And if you have all the ingredients, you can have all the ingredients in your pantry, and you can have a home-cooked meal in 27 minutes. Today we're going to talk about what the Italians call risi, which is a risotto made with rice and mushrooms and spring peas. And it's colorful, it's delicious, it's vegetarian, it's nutritious. We start out with our basic risotto, and you can see now that it's achieved this wonderful creamy consistency. And I've put mushrooms in here. Exactly 4 small baby Bella mushrooms. That's all you need. And now what we're going to do is add a few little green peas. And once again, you don't need much to flesh out the risotto. But you can see how creamy it is, and look at that beautiful green color. Now, if you like, one of the herbs that goes extremely well with green peas is tarragon. And I have a little tarragon here that I'm going to add. You can add any kind of herb you want to. Parsley would be good. Maybe marjoram if you happen to have it on hand. But it enhances the color of the risotto, and it also adds flavor. And we don't answer the telephone while we're cooking. So, there you have a beautiful main dish meal. This should be served in a shallow dish that you've heated ahead of time, because the rice has a high starch content and it will lose heat pretty quickly. So make sure everybody's ready to go to the table and that your dishes are hot. Serve it up, and you have a one-dish, nutritious, homemade meal in 27 minutes.